My name is George. I am Senior Director for Information Security and Service Operations for Pacific Dental Services. Before implementing DarkTrace, our major challenge was personnel. We were a 20-plus-year-old company without any security department or capability. So we had to build out a security infrastructure and capability, and we needed to do that in the shortest possible time. Using DarkTrace allowed us to fast-track that curve into security adoption. DarkTrace proved its value, I would say, after the first TIR report. We had a number of anomalies that were detected, mainly around data exfil. They were valid, but we were able to get insights into our network that we previously did not have. So that was an indication of what was to come. I think the most interesting thing that DarkTrace has found has just been the amount of information that leaves our network. We are a cloud or hybrid environment. We use Box as our internal cloud storage solution. So just seeing the amount of traffic that goes to other sites other than Box or other non-sanctioned cloud storage sites is clearly an eye-opener, and that's probably the key thing we use it for. The return on investment, I think, from DarkTrace has been, for us, very evident. We're 2 years into our DarkTrace implementation. I have one junior analyst and one senior analyst, and between the both of them, they're able to manage all the security alerts that I get across my organization. We've got over 18,000 endpoints, 16,000 user accounts, and there's no way you can have two people managing that in a typical enterprise. So using DarkTrace, we're able to cut through the noise and focus on the things that we need to focus on. AI is critical for the future of cyber defense because organizations are looking to work smarter and be more agile in the way they respond to threats. The threat vectors have also significantly increased over the last 10 years or so. Right? Going back 20, 25 years, you had security specialists from the mainframe world or the applications world. Now you have IoT to deal with. You have industrial control systems to deal with. There's so many threat vectors, and finding an analyst that understands or is an expert across all those verticals is practically impossible. So being able to model threats based on mathematical models and have a central brain that is able to help your team respond to that, I think is critical. And also as you start dealing with nation states and more organized crime, they have a lot of manpower that humans are simply not able to deal with. So I think AI is definitely the future for cybersecurity defense.